Hello friends, welcome back to Bankers Plus Academy. Today we are decoding a landmark Supreme Court judgment that clarifies a critical aspect of partnership law in India. Sachin Jaiswal versus Messrs. Hotel Alkaraj and others. That's the case we are going to talk about. In a recent judgment, the Supreme Court dismissed an appeal challenging the ownership of a disputed property contributed to a partnership firm. Here is the story. In 1965, a man purchased land and built a hotel. In 1972, he entered into a partnership with his brother, contributing this property as capital. In 1983, he executed a relinquishment deed transferring all rights to the firm. The man passed away in 2005. After his death, his legal heirs claimed ownership, but courts at every level, from the trial court to the Supreme Court, ruled against them. Why? Let's break it down. The Supreme Court relied on Section 14 of the Indian Partnership Act, which states that any property brought into a partnership becomes the firm's asset, not the individual partners. Even if the partner contributed land or buildings, they lose personal ownership. All partners hold a shared interest proportional to their stake in the business. The court cited its 1966 landmark ruling in Addangi Narayanappa versus Bhaskara Krishnappa, which established that once property is added to a partnership, it's no longer a personal trading asset. Instead, it becomes the firm's collective property. The deceased partner here had clearly relinquished his rights via a registered deed in 1983. The court emphasized the intention to contribute the property to the firm was unambiguous. So the relinquishment deed was the smoking gun. By legally transferring his rights, the partner extinguished any future claims, even by his heirs. So, what does this mean for you? For partners, contributing property to a firm, ensure clear documentation. Once transferred, it's irreversible without unanimous consent. For heirs, inheriting a partner's assets, verify if the property was ever part of a partnership. Rights end where the firms begin. For firms, this ruling reinforces stability. Partnership assets remain intact unless dissolved legally. So, what are the key takeaways from this judgment? Property contributed to a firm is the firm's asset and not the individual's. Relinquishment deeds are final. Heirs can't reclaim it. Section 14 of the Partnership Act is non-negotiable. Accordingly, the Supreme Court upheld the High Court decision, stressing there was absolutely no scope for interference. The property belonged solely to the firm Hotel Alkaraj and its current partners. This case is a stark reminder. Partnerships are joint ventures. Contributions are irreversible without legal consensus. Always consult a lawyer before blending personal assets with business interests. Friends, if you found this video helpful, please like, share and also subscribe to our channel, Bankers Plus Academy. Thank you.